Good morning, everyone. I'm Arshad BR, and today I'll be presenting on Helion's Energy Magneto Inertial Fusion Technology. And this is one of the most promising approaches in the global race for clean and limitless energy. Introduction to fusion energy. Now we'll learn about what is nuclear fission. Nuclear fission is a similar process that powers our sun and the stars. It happens when two atomic nuclei combine to form a heavier nucleus, and in this process of forming a heavier nucleus, they release a tremendous amount of energy. And this energy is explained by Einstein's equation E is equal to m square. And the important part of this fusion is it produces clean, safe, and limitless energy. Look into global energy challenges. Currently, the world faces a serious energy challenge. Now, fossil fuels which we still depend on are still harmful to environment because they release greenhouse gases and cause climate change. Renewable resources like solar and wind are clean, but they're not always reliable because they depend on weather conditions and require expensive storage solutions. This is why scientists and engineers are looking at nuclear fusion, which is ultimate solution because it promises stable, carbon-free, and abundant energy source. Now we'll look into Helion's approach on nuclear fission. They use a concept called magneto-inertial fusion, which is a hybrid method that combines both magnetic confinement and inertial confinement. And magnetic confinement uses strong magnetic fields to hold plasma. And inertial confinement compresses the plasma to extremely high temperatures and pressures. And in Helion's design, plasma is accelerated from both the ends of a chamber, then collides at the center. This creates extreme conditions which can lead to fusion. And there's an example for Helion's energy model. Now we'll look into Helion's unique approach. What makes Helion different from other fusion companies is it uses direct electricity converter system, which is the reactor works in short pulses. After the plasma is compressed and fusion happens, it expands outwards. And this expansion pushes against magnetic coils. And the movement directly induces electricity, just like how a generator works. This is very important because it removes the need for steam turbines or water cooling, or which makes the whole system more compact, efficient, and cost efficient. Now we look into the advantages and disadvantages of Helion's design. Helion's design offers many advantages, such as it is compact and modular and it can be built at much smaller size than massive reactors. Second, it is also more efficient because it directly converts fusion energy into electricity without needing of any middle steps. And the third, it is simpler and less expensive compared to traditional design. And it also can be deployed closer to cities and industries without depending on large grids, providing a reliable power source. And it also can be deployed faster, and each prototype can be developed rapidly, which is a huge advantage. And there are many disadvantages also. And the first one is fusion reactors are very difficult to achieve consistently and repeatedly. And the reactor materials must withstand extreme temperatures and pressures. And scaling up prototypes to large commercial plants is also a huge engineering task. And finally, fusion energy must remain affordable compared to other clean energy sources. Now we'll look into some of the applications of Helion's technology. Once Helion technology succeeds, the impact can be revolutionary, as we can see that we can produce carbon-free electricity on large scale, which reduces dependency on fossil fuels and improve global energy security and reduces global warming, pollution, etc. It also stabilizes renewable energy grids. Since fusion provides reliable base power, while renewables are variable, industries like steel, cement, chemicals that need huge amount of energy could run on clean fusion power. In the future, if this technology could even power remote areas and maybe even space missions. Yeah. Now we'll look into some of the key milestones and achievements of helium technology. In 2021, our Trenta prototype was operated successfully for 1 year. And in 2023, Helion signed the world's first fusion power purchase agreement with Microsoft. It's aiming to deliver electricity by 2028. And in 2025, Helion's Polaris prototype reached plasma temperatures over 100 million degrees Celsius, crossing the threshold for practical fusion. Currently, Helion is the largest private fusion company worldwide. To conclude, Helion's magneto-inertial fusion. It is a bold and innovative step towards making nuclear fission a practical reality. Its unique design that directly converts fusion energy into electricity gives it a clear advantage over any other methods, reducing global warming, pollution, etc. With recent breakthroughs and strong financial support, Helion could help us all move into a new era of limitless, clean, and safe energy. Thank you.